What? Oh, man. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, another really special day. I'm going to ride a very rare bike. Today, I'm going to ride the brand new R.S.M. And we're meeting up with Mr. Tango, who's supposed to be on the Aprilia. That's a really good looking Aprilia. Yeah. Italian bikes don't start all the time, do they? Good to see you, sir. The last time we rode together, we went and ate pizza. The pizza was really, really good. So I did a bunch of research, and I found one of Orange County's top pizzerias, man.
Where's it at?
Fullerton. This pizza comes out of a 1,000-degree oven, and it only takes 90 seconds to cook. Think about that.
I like that.
But first, something even cooler. We're going to go down to Lap Motorsports, and today I'm going to ride the brand new Yamaha R.S.M.
Nice. Hopefully
I don't wreck it. But yeah, special day. I get to ride the R.S.M. Very excited about that. Tango's been releasing some videos lately. He's got a channel, a link to it in the description of this video if you want to go over there and check it out. The place we're going to, it's called Fuoco. It's a pizza spot, man. They're famous. It's in Fullerton. It's been around for quite some time. It's family owned. Get this. They have a pizza oven that they had built in Italy and brought it over here. This pizza oven gets so hot, about 1,000 degrees, that it cooks a pizza so fast, 90 seconds. In 90 seconds from when you put in a pizza, a raw pizza, it's ready. Sounds good, right? And it's got a shit ton of positive reviews. Very excited about it, as you can already tell. What? Oh, man. Man down. Uh-oh.
That's not good.
It's not good. Should we try to push her?
I should have got the fucking Aprilia.
Should we call David and get rescued?
Yeah, does he have a jump box? He's got an Allen wrench. What's up, dude? Fucking shut the bike off at the intersection because it was getting, not like it was overheating hot, it was just getting physically hot. I went to fire it back up and the battery's toast.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. How old is the battery?
They've replaced it twice now. They got a brand new battery in it over a week ago.
Hey! Saving the day.
See you in like 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. Jeez, that is a good looking ride. I can't believe he's going to let me ride this thing. Thanks for the help.
Yeah, no worries.
No, dude, thank you.
I like these, man. Super Duke. Woo-wee. I miss this thing being between my legs. What's up, man? How are you? Good. What's up, man? Good to see you. Look at this dude. Vroom, vroom. We'll be on the road again, buddy. Don't you worry. So, Mr. Lap Motorsports, David.
Yes, sir.
What are we looking at here?
2022 Yamaha YZF R7.
First one in the state?
From my understanding, there were 7 delivered to Southern California. This is the first one actually sold and registered in Orange County.
Nice.
I was able to do a few things to it. Got rid of the mirrors like I always do on all my bikes.
Mirrors are completely overrated, for sure.
They're kind of useless. I got rid of all the reflectors. The tail light was replaced already. My favorite upgrade obviously has to be the exhaust. The thing is
Two brothers racing.
brothers racing hooked it up. Danny, shout out to Danny. This thing is insanely loud, bro, and I love it.
Oh man, that like startled me a little. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Whoa, this thing's crazy. I don't think it's as fast as my GSXR. R7, Yamaha R7, man. Dude, these used to be the bike back in the day. Very, very expensive. In fact, if you were to be able to locate one of the older generation R7s, dude, you're probably rich. It's very basic. I expected there to be a ton of electronics on it, and there aren't. I mean, the power is super smooth and linear, right? My GSXR feels completely different. To get anything crazy out of the GSXR, you gotta wind that thing. Oh no, oh no, oh no, people are out to kill you today. It's got power, but it's not out of control, man. Put a sprocket on this thing, you're good to go. It's all you'll ever need, I promise you that. It's a cool bike, man. Like I said, put a sprocket on this thing, you're good. It's got ABS, I just tried to lock up the rear. It didn't work. Yeah, this bike's fun, man. It's just wide open everywhere you go. That's why I don't like the leader bikes, dude. You can't rip those things. Look at the wing on that. Hell yeah.
That thing sounds so crazy.
I like it a lot. Pops for days. I got 1 bar of fuel.
Bike sounds so good, dude. When we passed the police department, those 2 cops outside, they were staring at you, and you're like, it was just, it sounded bitchin'. They weren't caring.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Oh, yeah, you went right by the Anaheim Police Department doing that, or the Fullerton Police Department.
Oh. This place is pretty fancy to be walking in with a helmet.
Fuoco's was fucking fantastic.
Best pizza you've ever had?
Definitely in the top 2 or 3.
2 or 3?
I got the margarita pizza because I was playing it safe.
Yeah.
And you got the margarita with pepperoni on it.
Yeah.
Mine was good, but yours was like another level.
The place we went to, Angelina's. Out of the 2, which would you pick? Really?
I would say they're right next to each other with which one's better. I mean,
sure.
they're that close.
I'm a little sad they didn't have meatballs as an appetizer, man.
That was the only thing that bummed me out. They didn't really have appetizer.
Yeah.
They had a couple of things, but the other place, at least we had some choices. And the other place, we didn't have to worry about paying for parking.
Oh, and you bought the pizza. What did it come out to?
It's $40.
40 bucks. 2 pizzas. We had water, you had a Sprite. 40 bucks. I'd be back. I'll tell you what, if I was in this area and I was with somebody that wanted to find some good pizza, I'd take them here. Oh, look at the lights on this thing. Time to return this thing. I did realize that there's no license plate on this bike. Riding dirty. What a stupid looking car. I don't know how I'm not out of gas yet. Whoa. How did I not get pulled over? I literally don't have a license plate on this bike. How did I not get pulled over?
Then as he came up behind me, you sped up.
Right, I didn't even see him. '87, right? Little ass tank, dude. Guys, I don't think I want to give this bike back. You think maybe he'll let me keep it for a little while? Should I ask? Dude, this thing is great. It's super nimble. I didn't think it was nearly as fast as the GSX-R, but the power was super linear all the way through. It was very consistent. This thing was very manageable. If I owned this thing, I'd put a pipe on it and a smaller sprocket. Drop one tooth in the front and that's it. I cannot believe nobody's come for the backpack. We got some Voss hats, Voss backpack, Suburban Delinquent t-shirt, and some tags. Look, guys, come to Lot Motorsports. The shit's here for you. Just come get it. Just get one item at a time, man. It's here. See you later.
Bye.
Hey, thanks for letting me ride that bike. Dude. Guys, I don't think I want to give this bike back.